So in last week's video we had that wonderful run up to Royal Keys. I thought it would be an uneventful, just a simple cruise. We didn't put cameras on the boat, and in both directions we had issues. Anyway, this week I repair the broken step, and I also put a camera underneath Ava Grace to see what if any damage, or are we still snagged. Yeah, carry on watching.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Well, that was an adventurous journey last time. As well as rope, we have got rope around the prop still, and I've booked a lift out, and I've just ordered some anti-foul so that we can get the bottom done at the same time. I've got rope around, well wrapped around on the starboard side. It's not catching on anything, but it's well wrapped up around the prop. We've also got a tank, little bit, that comes across to the port side onto the port as well, but you can see the line's actually floating up to the underneath of the hull. Anywho, that wasn't the only issue. One of the lifeboatmen managed to break my top step on the rear ladders, and so I've made a bit of a start. I've got some more boarding, which is under there, some deck boarding. That's the ladder step that broke. It's cracked right the way through. So I've got that all clamped up. I'll use this as a template to drill the holes there. What I'm also actually going to do is double it up, so I've got another piece there, and what I will do is put a pin right the way through the metal, the actual upright, on both sides, and sandwich a pin between the two new pieces, and then epoxy it all together, so it'll be rather thick but rather strong. So we've now got the basics of the step made. What I have to do now is sort out my bolts that will go right the way through and into the frame, right through the frame on either side, so I can drill through and maybe just take a little niche out of the back for some bolts. Well, I'm sorry about the wind. I hope this is coming through okay. We're at the tail end of Storm Amy at the moment. It's howling through here. So what we've done is I've welded two nuts and we put a bolt through either side, so they're fixed in position. I just need to cut the ends off because I don't want them there. The bolt is there as a rest and the nuts are there to give a bit extra support. I cut the two steps earlier, grooved them, put grooves in, so the bottom step will come up to there. I will then bring the top piece down onto it, just like that. And they'll be epoxied together with thickened epoxy. The ends will also be epoxied in, so it'll look like one piece eventually, and that will be sandwiched on there, and that will should actually be a stronger step. And Lee, the lifeboat man, has been in touch with me actually to apologise, but no problem, Lee. I'm grateful you came out. I've mixed up the epoxy. I've liberally spread it between the two, got a good smush out, so they're sandwiched together, and we've plugged the ends up as well and they're glued in place, so that can now sit till tomorrow. Just taking all the pads off, the epoxy's all hardened off beautifully, just wants a bit of finishing off with the rub down and then a stain.